Hi, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm doing a shave test today for the benefit of potential customers to my Etsy shop. We've got a rather beautiful French from Thiers, quite a well-known baker from the region of Thiers in France. And the original case, I think it's original. So that's the original case. It's got the letters on the side. Quite good condition for its age, probably around 80 years old. But inside we got a beautiful little razor. We've got a black scales or handle with gold trim, and it's of a 3-pin design, one round the pivot in the middle and around the wedge, so quite a sturdy handle or scales. So 3 pins are better than 2 pin, obviously, a bit sturdier. And it got a nice little inlay of mother and pearl. The blade is quite clean, in fact it's very clean, and it holds the pivot quite well, so which is an indication that of very little use. You can see the maker's name there. There we go. It's quite plain on the other side. It's got a bit of a French point, but the beauty of it is the spine. I mean, look at that spine. Beautiful scalloped, you know, from the toe right down to the tang. I'm a great fan of scallop spines. Shows great craftsmanship. So, for the benefit of potential customers, this is to demonstrate that it is actually shave ready and ready to go. It's got a nice weight to the razor as well. Feels very comfortable in the hand, and it's just got rid of, this is about 4 or 5 days growth. It has a very robust sort of feel, probably due to the thickness of the spine, you know. Beautiful little thing. when you get scallop spines and inlays in the scales, it's undoubtedly the sign of quality and workmanship of the guy who put this together. You have to bear in mind all these are handmade, no machinery apart from the grinding stones, obviously. So there you have it, a nice little French number. I think it dates back to early 1900s, something like that. So there we go, nice and clean, very clean, no rust marks, no cracks in the handle, almost like brand new. It's received very little use, and it comes in the original box, and you'll find it on in my Etsy shop this week. Okay, thanks very much for watching, and I'll catch up with you later. Bye for now, bye.